Hi guys, what's up?
Hi guys, this is the first time we are live on Insta. What's happening? Can I hold it?
What's up? See your fans are here.
Hi! This is so weird because I'm doing it for the first time and I have no idea what I'm doing.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's cool. Hello, I'm Leena. Hi, Leena. Nice to see you together. Thanks, Tanshri. I'm the biggest fan of both of you. Thank you. So, what's up, guys? You just share something with us.
Yeah, ask us some nice, fun questions so we'll answer you.
I can't read, it's so far. We are doing very good. Thank you so much. Hi. Hi, sexy. Who's that? Hi, Vinita. Answer the questions you find interesting. Ask us something then.
Yeah, nobody's asking any
Nobody's
questions
asking,
yet.
it's just hi, hello.
So, hello to everybody.
Hi, I love you from Morocco. Hi. Maybe when you call us. Bring it a little close. Can't read. Should I hold it? Ow. I am beautiful.
Wow, really?
Please take my name, Dhi. Ruchi Bhatt. I've taken your name, Ruchi Bhatt. The best couple, thank you.
We are married 5 years, so honeymoon and all हो गया हम लोग का
Yeah.
भाई बहुत पहले ही हो गया.
हम 2-3 बार जा चुके हैं हनीमून पे शायद उससे भी ज्यादा.
She's asking you. Omkar is saying कसम 2 लेकर आओ.
बेटा आई एम नॉट द प्रोड्यूसर सो हम कैसे ला सकते हैं. आई कैन ओनली बी एन एक्टर इन इट.
ओए दिशांक.
वेयर इज ही. ओ हाय दिशांक. अब ऐसा होगा कि हम लाइव पे मिलेंगे. वाह
हाँ, बस यही
वाह
रह गया.
बेटे
तेरा
वाह.
नाम इधर लेना पड़ेगा हम लोग को.
राइट. थैंक यू. हाय दिशांक. Don't do this. Yeah? I'm a big fan of you too. Hi Rashmi. Hi Rakesh. Yes सौरभ, हम उदयपुर आ चुके हैं. 2-3 बार जा चुके हैं. दिशांक तुम बॉम्बे आओ बेटा, फिर हम तुम्हारे साथ लाइव सेशन करेंगे. हाय साम्या.
तुम प्रिंस को मिल लो ना तो you can hold the नजबलिए trophy.
Pranil.
Pranil is asking. I think that's the only way you hold that trophy.
Pranil was supposed to be here
Okay.
with some gifts. He's asking me if I like stationery or chocolate. I don't like anything. So chill. Please, Kratika ma'am and Nikki sir. He's being so mean. Say my name. Jagmohan. Jagmohan Jat. भैया नहीं क्या भिलाई आई है.
बिलाल आइए. बिलाई आइए. जरूर आएंगे यार.
मानसी जोशी हाय. से माय नाम शू.
What? What's wrong with you?
This is my first time. Please excuse me.
Shari is asking you
Who
who
are
is
you?
supporting in Big Boss.
I love Big Boss. I think I just love watching it. I like. Who do we like?
You watch, so I don't know.
Yeah, I watch, but I can't say who I like. I'll be biased otherwise. Hello. Hi, Dharva. Hi, Mridul. Sakshi Kumari. Hi, Sakshi.
हाँ अमित फर्स्ट टाइम है. चल ना तू रोज करता है. हम लोग पहली बार कर रहे हैं.
This is your first time on live? क्या? Yes, Tandon. This is my first time. I'm learning. आई एम स्टिल अ किड. तुम्हारे जैसी बुड्ढी नहीं हो गई हूं मैं. हाय हमीद. थैंक यू शालू. अभी any plans of going to London? Yeah, Rishi Singh. What? Who's this Rishi Singh 05? Who's this?
Hacked account.
Guys, who's this Rishi Singh 05? Rishi Singh 05? Who's this? I think London trip will happen if Rishi Singh 05 will sponsor us.
Yeah.
Yeah. The trip can only happen if you sponsor us, Rishi Singh. लाइफ पे मुझे बुड्ढा बोला. टंडन बुड्ढे को बुड्ढा ही बोलूंगी ना. नो बट वी लव यू. तुमसे ज्यादा जवान इंसान और हॉट इंसान हमने नहीं
चाचा
देखा
की
है.
उम्र की हो बट वी लव यू, ऐसा नहीं है.
You only look hot because of your wife. Because your wife is so hot. So when you are with her, you look hot. Like you don't look hot, but yeah, her shadow makes you look hot.
They're asking you what is your next project?
I don't know. I really don't know. I'm still talking to people and figuring it out. So happy to see you both. Thank you, Ramya.
Soumya saying Rishi Singh sponsor me too.
So, hi, Soumya. How are you? Yeah, Rishi Singh should sponsor all of us. He's a very rich guy, guys. हाय चंदन. हाय. अरे पैसे खत्म. सॉरी, अगर पैसे खत्म तो प्लान भी नहीं बनेगा. थैंक यू. लव फ्रॉम हिमाचल. प्लीज कम बैक. यस, आई एम प्लानिंग. लेट्स सी. आई एम प्लानिंग टू कम बैक. व्हाट अबाउट कसम सीजन 2? आई हैव नो आइडिया. नो आइडिया देयर. स्वयं, प्लीज से माई नेम. कसम 2 एक बार बना लो. मेरे हाथ में नहीं है कसम 2 बनाना.
How are you?
आंचल मिश्रा. हाय. योर फेवरेट मेकअप ब्रांड? माई फेवरेट मेकअप ब्रांड, too many. I think at present it's Dior. I follow you from Iraq. Thank you.
Thank you, Rashmi. Thank you.
Can't hear anything. Why you can't hear anything? Other people can. Hello, Surji. Deep is saying hello, Surji.
Hello.
Love from Orissa. Hi, Gudu. Thank you. One thing you love, tolerate, and hate.
You.
I love you too. And I tolerate you, but I don't hate you. Sakshi, please meet us, ma'am and sir. Sakshi. Hi, Saku. Don't do that, please. You are the busy person here. We are big fans, Saku. What is this?
इसका नाम बोलो ना एक बार. Psychological facts.
Shehroz, hi. My office busy. Bye. Okay. Please go work. Work is important. दी मेरा बर्थडे है, विश कर दो. हैप्पी बर्थडे कीर्ति. राइटिंग सो फास्ट. आई कैन रीड.
हमारी टूथपेस्ट में नमक भी है, मिर्ची भी है और लौंग वोंग सब है. थैंक यू.
ये कौन बोला?
कोई है.
When कसम सीजन 3 will start? 2 कब आया था जो 3 आएगा? 2 has to still. I mean, has to.
Hi, Deepika. How are you?
Thank you. How are you feeling
Bye,
coming
Sakshi.
live?
Very weird coming live. आदत नहीं है, पहली बार ट्राई कर रहे हैं. But I think we'll come back soon again.
Yeah, I think it's fun. This man sitting here is very busy, so it's like. Chauhan Harshal, hi.
Thank you all for your lovely messages.
Thank you, yes.
Thank you very much.
Hi, Thangabali.
Hi, Shri Hari. How are you? क्या हाल है?
Come to Egypt. Wow.
Coming to Egypt will be interesting thought though. Soon maybe.
Say my name. Gul Arzu. Hi Vaibhav. How was Ektaji's birthday party? It was Diwali party, beta. So drunk. Rishi Singh 05. One word for us. KDFW, I love you. Thank you, Mr. Majnu. Come to Gujarat. Yeah, we are planning to actually. This December maybe. कसम कब और आप हो क्या
कसम कब आ रहा है और आप उसमें कब आने वाले हो?
इजिप्ट चलो ऋषि सिंह के पास कोई काम नहीं है क्या लंदन चलो इजिप्ट चलो तुम ले चलो हमें से माय नेम ऑल्सो ऋषि उर्फ गोलू उर्फ शैलेंदर उर्फ आई लव यू मेरे भाई
Thank you all for your lovely compliments. I really appreciate it and happy being here.
My favorite location, Maldives. I am from Tamil Nadu. Hi, Shandhini.
Shankar Singh wants some money. Please contact Rishi Singh 05 in Delhi. He can
Rishi
help
Singh
you.
05 is his Insta ID, so
Yeah.
he can give you lots of money.
Lucknow आएंगे जल्दी यार. I have a shoot happening there. I'll come soon.
बमाई हाय बमाई बमाई भी लाइन में बमाई कैसे हो हाय अदिति प्लीज टेक माय नेम MD हसन
Mohammad Hassan.
मोहम्मद हसन माय हैंड निक्की भाई DM भी एक्सेप्ट करिए कानपुर कब आएंगी आप कानपुर दिसंबर में हेलो बमाई व्हाट्स अप I love you. Thank you so much. Hi Rajput. Love your what? What is that?
Lakshmi. Loved you as Lakshmi.
You are pro at it, it seems.
नहीं आंखें चल रही है मेरी.
मेरी भी तो चल रही है.
हैदराबाद कब आओगी किट्टू दी?
हैदराबाद. Don't know.
Lots of love to Finland also. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Thanks Aisha. Love from Finland.
Bama is asking कहाँ हो?
घर पे बमाए बॉम्बे में नॉर्थ ईस्ट एक्सप्लोर करने का प्लान है हाँ है नॉर्थ ईस्ट एक्सप्लोर करने का प्लान है
बहुत जल्द एक्सप्लोर करेंगे.
यस
Hopefully this year.
या ऋषि सिंह सुन रहे हैं अगर तो इंडोनेशियन हियर हाय लव फ्रॉम इंडोनेशिया हाय 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 यू गाइज मेड माई डे थैंक यू सो मच तुम लोग हर रोज हमारा दिन बनाते हो विद ऑल द लव
Lots of love to you also, Sanvini from Singapore.
थैंक यू आयुष
You want to pick of us?
Varda Khan, don't say like that. I took your name. Can we get a... Oh, it just went.
Chalo guys, this was fun. Hopefully
Yes.
see you guys soon again.
Yeah,
Bye-bye.
soon, very soon.
God
Love
bless.
you. Everyone love
Bye.
you. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.